Hello everyone, you are on a Blind School channel, and today I will tell you about a Russian dacha. Dacha is a private piece of territory where people have their own houses, own gardens, and they come here to spend summer time. This is my house and it has a shape of tent. This is the house of my grandparents, full of wood coverings, because my grandfather is good at it. And this is the special house for plants, called teplitsa. We use teplitsa to protect some of the plants from cold, because even in summer at night the temperature can go down. In our teplitsa we plant only cucumbers, but people can grow tomatoes and other vegetables here, or some of them even try to plant watermelon or grapes. We also plant some berries like raspberries, strawberries, currant, and some fruits and vegetables like apples, cabbage, pumpkin, and so on. But now it's September, so the season is finished. But I will show you some features of our dacha to make you feel like you are here. This is the special place called banya. We use it to wash ourselves. Don't pay attention, it's written institute. I'll tell you this story later. Okay, the story how we got this sign on our banya. When my father was a student, he got drunk and he took this sign from the building of the institute. So literally, he's a Russian mafia. Okay, let's go inside. When you enter the banya, the first space, the first room is for changing. So you can undress here and dress up after you finish washing. The next room, this room is actually for washing. Here we have a special funeral. Я забыла, как печь по-английски. This is печь. And we put water up there and wood here. So when we burn wood here, the water inside this space becomes boiling, becomes hot. And we also have cold water here from the rain, from the river, from the outside. And then you use tazik. This is tazik. And you put in this tazik hot water from here and cold water from here. You mix this water inside and then you can wash yourself. Let's go to another room. We have one more. This room is to heat yourself even more. Here the temperature can go up to 100 degrees Celsius. Because, you remember I showed you where we put wood? Wait, I forgot my hat. Usually we put this type of hat to go to parilka because it's really hot as hell here. So, where I stopped. We put wood inside, we burn it, and it makes the stones inside of this very hot. And then you take a little bit of water, maybe mint water or something like this, inside, and bar go out and make this room really hot. So then we take this type of birch, like a bucket of birch, and we start doing like this. We believe that it's really healthy because it makes your blood circulation, and we do the full body like this. So after you are warmed up enough, you go out to the street, to the river, you can refresh yourself and then come back. We do it several times and then we wash ourselves here, and then you go to the first room where you just dress up and go refreshed and renewed. So now you know how we wash ourselves, and it's time to see our toilet. This is dacha toilet. As you see, we don't have central water. That's why we have this type. And when you want to go toilet, you just open, do your pee and everything. And when it's full, you just take it and you go to the trash can with the toilet full of shit. Okay, and this is Russian kovrik, made of small pieces of tissue and old pieces of clothes. By the way, after you go to the toilet, to make it not smell bad, we use these small pieces of wood, shredded wood, and we put it inside toilet. That's how it works. A small excursion to our home. Sorry, it's a bit messy. I like watching the map and planning my trips. That's why we have a big map here. And how we wash our hands. Look, inside of this volume we put some water. And then when you want to wash your hands, you put it up and the water is going down. So you can use soap and then wash your hands. And this water is going under and it's end up here. And then you take this... You take ведро and go to the trash can and throw. In Dacha we don't have central heating. We have pечка. So to make pечка warm, we take some wood, put inside. 3 is enough for beginning. And then we start the fire. Like you can use matches or just this, and we start fire like this. So after 1 hour it will get warm and we can cook here, make boiled water, and in general all the building will be warm. In Russia, at the end of summer and beginning of autumn, we go to the forest to pick up mushrooms. For example, this is lisichka. We can translate as a fox mushroom. And this is белый гриб. This is like a king of mushrooms, and the translation is like a white mushroom. This is белый гриб. We can find berries. Look, this is blackberries. Very sweet and tasty. Today we had a small excursion in a Russian dacha. I hope you enjoyed and got some new information. I will wait your comments, likes, and don't forget to follow our Blind School channel, and see you soon. Bye bye.